Today on the Cooking General. Man, this is gonna be. You thought the seafood dressing was good? Check this out. Today we're gonna do picante chicken. Picante chicken. Okay, this recipe gonna call for you to have your chicken seasoned. I just season it and marinate it for about an hour. Okay, I use a little white pepper, a little black pepper, some Tony Cacciarello, a little salt. I use some garlic powder, secret Frank's red hot seasoning, real good sauce. Now, you're going to also need picante sauce. Some people like using paste. If you don't like using paste, you got Van de Wells picante sauce. Did I say it right? Van de Wells. Okay, we're going to take our chicken and we got our flour. We also got the flour season with these seasons too on the chicken. This is going to be seasoned all the way to the bone. To the bone. Now, we also got an egg batter that we're going to dip it in. That is also seasoned. Now, we're going to get ready to mix this stuff up. We're going to fry this chicken, and we're going to make some picante chicken. Whoo, you never had it? Oh, or picante chicken. You better ask somebody. Cooking General back again. Picante chicken, look here. Now, we're going to do some, look at that. We got this chicken frying. We dipped in the egg batter. We put in the flour. Look at that. And we're using tenders. And we're using drumsticks. Now, if you don't want to use tenders, drumsticks, you can use short thighs, you can use wings, whatever you want to use. But I'm doing tenders, and I'm doing, because I like dog meat, but other people like white meat. So, and I don't want to do a whole chicken breast, so we're doing the tenders. And we're getting them out right now. Now, we got the chicken fried. Now we're finna do our picante sauce and show you how to make picante chicken. Keep on watching. Cooking General back, boy, it's on. Look here. Now, you got the chicken fried. Look at that chicken. And see, I use chicken tenders in case you don't like dog meat. I got drumstick. Look at that. Crispy. Look at that. And then, in here, I got my increments. Leave your increments, drain your grease, and just leave just a little bit, and keep your increments in there. When you keep your increments in there, then you want to add to, look here, some bell pepper and onion. Put them in the increments. There we go. Get everything out of there. All of it. Hold on. I got all this. Get every crumb because you paid for it. You cook it, you eat it. There we go. Now we're going to add a little of this, just a little more Tony Cacciarello to it. Let's shake this bag up and go bam, 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 bam. Boom. There we go. Now, we're going to stir this up. Now, we're going to add just a little bit more. Just a little salt. Just a little bit. Wham! Now, we're going to brown this here, and we're going to get ready to add our picante sauce later. So, keep watching, and I'm going to show you how we do this. All right, we're back again. Now, we're finna add our picante sauce. Look at that. We got these onions. Look at that. We got to small it down. Now we're going to put our picante sauce in there. And we're going to use the Van de Wheel. You can use paste picante, whatever you like, your favorite. You pour that off in there like that there. Put that in there. Stir this around like that there. Oh, yeah. Let's wait a minute. Get you some water. Rinse that out. Shoot, don't let that go away. Put your hand on top. Shake it. Shake it. Hold it in there. Now, look at that. Clean baller. You ain't waste nothing. Don't waste goddamn Van Desperate. Well, and we finna go ahead and get this going. Hello, we back again. Now, you know them increments you leave in the skillet? They help make your gravy. You stir it up. You putting your drumsticks in there. Look at that. Look at them crispy drumsticks. Look. Crispy drumsticks. Crispy tenders. And you put them in there, you stirring them up. And you smothering these here down off in that picante sauce. Now, I didn't tell you how much seasoning to put in your food because everybody use their own seasoning and how much they want. But if you follow this recipe direction, it'll get cooked good. Now, you want to keep this here off in the pot, and then you want to smother it for a little while. And we are going to be done. Good. We are done for picante chicken. Now, check this out. Look at this. Whew. Look at that. See that? That drumstick? Look at that. All right. Keep it there. Keep the camera there. Look at that. You got the strips right there. Look at that. Now, we also gonna put on here, we made some buttered corn. Look at that buttered corn. That's buttered corn right there. Buttered corn, you want some more? Oh, I tell you what, ranch and buttered potatoes. Yeah, ranch and buttered potatoes. Now, you think that's enough, but look, the picante sauce is also used as a gravy on your potatoes. Look at that chicken, look at that picante. Look at that. Now look, you got the, oh man, I'm so tired, man.